Can you explain 1 John 5, verses 16 and 17? So get 1 John 5, verses 16 and 17. Let's go ahead and read it. If any man see his brother sin a sin which is not unto death, he shall ask, and he shall give him life for them that sin not unto death. There is a sin unto death. I do not say that he shall pray for it. All unrighteousness is sin, and there is a sin not unto death. So 1 John 5 has this interesting description. Clearly there's two types of sins being mentioned there. There's a sin unto death, which don't even bother to pray for it, because there's no point. And then there's sins that are not unto death, and you can be given life for those sins. In other words, there are some sins that can be forgiven, you can be redeemed, and there's some sins that are unto death when don't even bother to pray for it. So how do we make sense of that? Turn with me to 1 John chapter 2 and verse 18. 1 John 2, verse 18. With every passage that you read, with every book that you study, you should understand the context of the book. And what I mean by that is, who's writing the book? Who are they writing it to? When are they writing it? What's the book about? And significantly, where on the dispensational chart does that book fit? Okay? 1 John 2:18 is going to help. Little children, it is the last time. And as ye have heard that Antichrist shall come, even now are there many Antichrists, whereby we know that it is the last time. So when is 1 John applicable? What time on the timeline is it talking about? And the answer is, it's obviously talking about Daniel's 70th week, right? It's talking about the last time, and it's talking about the time when the Antichrist shall come. So if we understand that 1 John is written about the last time, and we then think about 1 John 5, there's a sin unto death and a sin not unto death. Can anyone think of a sin that you could do during the last time, during the 70th week, that would be a sin unto death? The mark of the beast, right? Because if you take the mark of the beast, what are your options? There's none, right? There are zero options. If you take the mark of the beast, there is absolutely nothing that can be done for you. It's a sin unto death, and that's why in 1 John 5 it says, I say not that you shall pray for it. This is sad. If you're alive during the Great Tribulation and your buddy takes the mark of the beast, what can you do to help him? There's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do. It's a sin unto death, and it just can't be forgiven. So obviously, get saved during the dispensation of grace, so you're not here during that time. If you happen to be here during that time, never, under any circumstance, do not take the mark of the beast. Do not worship the beast. It is an unforgivable sin. You cannot be delivered from it. You cannot be redeemed. There's no way to get forgiveness. You absolutely must avoid doing that. That's what 1 John 5, 16, and 17 is about. It's about taking the mark of the beast during the last time.